Here with the DK2, first we'll get a baseline of the room ambient. And we're about 1.5 to 2 feet away from the actuator. We're running at full max settings on the Nurburgring with the Audi Quattro car in AC. As you can see, it's pretty similar to that of the DK2 Plus system. Whenever I talk, it's about 65 or 68 or so in terms of the peaks. In terms of the actual system, it's about 55 dB max. Okay, let's take a look at the EMI next. So we have a very inexpensive EMI reader here. I'm going to go approach the actuator. And we're getting about 105, 120 or so milligauss. And that's fairly close. It's about 3-4 inches away from the motor.